So, what's up everyone? Vishvajit here. Did you know 60% of engineers struggle to get a good job after graduation? The reason? Many don't upgrade their skills to match industry needs. Employers want practical, hands-on skills, not just theory. The engineering landscape evolves fast. Learn industry-relevant skills to stand out. Bridge the theory-practice gap yourself. This video is all about how you can do just that. Level up your engineering career. Alright, so let's dive a bit deeper into why so many engineers find themselves in a tough spot after graduation. One of the biggest hurdles is the lack of substantial hands-on experience. College labs offer a starting point, but they often operate in a very controlled environment. Companies want candidates who have built, debugged, or optimized something. Practical application solidifies learning and makes a candidate valuable. Impactful projects and relevant certifications are crucial. Employers face hundreds of applications. What makes you different? Projects demonstrate initiative and problem-solving skills. Certifications signal specialized knowledge. Without these, it's hard to differentiate yourself. Learning beyond the syllabus is essential. University provides a foundational framework. The tech world moves at lightning speed. New tools and methodologies emerge constantly. Relying solely on lectures means you might graduate with an outdated toolkit. The solution is to augment your education, build skills that solve current problems, and help companies innovate. Proficiency in simulation software is crucial in high-demand fields. Think automotive design, aerospace, and manufacturing. Tools like ANSYS, SolidWorks, and MATLAB are industry standards. Learning these tools is more accessible than ever. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Udemy offer tutorials and certifications. Certifications in these tools can make your resume shine. Alright, let's talk about coding. And I mean for all engineers, not just software engineers. In today's tech-driven world, programming skills are vital across every engineering discipline. Coding automates tasks, analyzes data, and interfaces with hardware. Python is versatile for simulations and data analysis. For embedded systems, C and C++ are essential. Embrace coding. It's a core competency. Chapter 4. Real-time projects. Your gateway to experience and a killer resume. Real-time projects bridge the gap between theory and practice. They offer invaluable experience and enhance your resume. Employers value well-documented projects. Showcase your work on GitHub and LinkedIn. Feature top projects on your resume. Chapter 5. Get hands-on with hardware essential skills for core engineering roles. For core engineering jobs, especially in electronics and embedded systems, software skills aren't enough. You need practical hardware skills. Understand physical components, design, build, and troubleshoot circuits. Hands-on experience brings ideas to life. Employers value candidates who work with soldering irons, oscilloscopes, and breadboards. PCB design is fundamental. Tools like KiCad and Eagle are valuable for learning. So, you've been working hard, acquiring new skills, and building impressive projects. That's awesome. But how do you make sure potential employers see and appreciate all this effort? It's all about effectively showcasing your skills and building a professional brand. One of the first places recruiters will look is your LinkedIn profile. Make sure it's not just a digital resume, but a dynamic representation of your skills, projects, and experiences. Write a compelling headline and summary, and detail your projects with links and visuals. Beyond LinkedIn, creating a personal portfolio website or a well-curated GitHub profile can be a game changer. A portfolio website allows you to present your projects in a more visually appealing and narrative format, giving you more control over how your story is told. GitHub, as we've mentioned, is essential for code-based projects, but make sure your repositories are clean, well-documented, and showcase your best work. Think of these platforms as your personal showroom, where you can demonstrate not just what you know, but what you can do with that knowledge. It's about providing tangible proof of your capabilities. Another excellent way to both gain experience and showcase your skills is through freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to take on smaller projects, often for real clients. This not only adds to your project portfolio, but also gives you experience in client communication, project management, and delivering results, all highly valued by employers. And finally, don't underestimate the power of networking. Join professional organizations like IEE, participate in their events, and actively engage in relevant LinkedIn groups. Connecting with professionals in your field can lead to mentorship, advice, and even job opportunities you wouldn't find otherwise. Here's a bonus tip to give you an edge. Gain practical experience through freelancing and internships. Short-term gigs provide invaluable insights and add weight to your resume. It shows initiative and commitment, making you a more attractive candidate. Think of them as stepping stones to build a track record, network, and get recommendations for future opportunities. Each project contributes to your narrative as a proactive engineer. Accumulate evidence of your abilities. Early exposure helps refine your career goals. Prepare for technical rounds in interviews. Conduct mock interviews and practice common questions. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll be. Skill up now, relax later. The effort you put in today will pay off massively in the long run. We've covered a lot today, from coding and simulation software to real-time projects and hardware skills. The journey to leveling up your engineering career is ongoing. Proactive skill development is essential. Which skill will you learn first? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for more tips on career growth and engineering. Alright, that's pretty much it for this one. We've talked a lot about the skills that can genuinely transform your engineering career prospects. From mastering simulation tools like ANSYS and SolidWorks, to getting comfortable with coding in Python or C++, and diving into hands-on hardware projects with Arduino or Raspberry Pi, these are the things that really move the needle for employers. It's not just about the degree anymore. It's about what you can, and how you can solve real-world problems. The path isn't always easy, and it requires a commitment to continuous learning, but the payoff is definitely worth it. Building a strong portfolio, whether it's on GitHub or a personal website, and actively networking will amplify all that hard work you put into acquiring these skills. Remember, companies are looking for engineers who are not just waiting to be told what to do, but who are proactive, adaptable, and bring a practical toolkit to the table. This is your chance to differentiate yourself in a crowded field. So yeah, hopefully this breakdown gives you a clearer picture of what to focus on. Take these strategies, pick a starting point, and begin building. The engineering field is full of opportunities for those who are prepared to seize them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.